Understanding Trial Prosecution, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating legal term, trial prosecution. Whether you're a law enthusiast or just curious about English legal jargon, this video will help you understand what this phrase means and how it's used. So, let's dive in. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, trial and prosecution. A trial is a formal examination of evidence in a court, typically involving a judge and jury, to decide guilt or innocence in a criminal or civil case. Prosecution, on the other hand, refers to the act of conducting legal proceedings against someone in respect of a criminal charge. It's the process of trying to prove in court that someone is guilty of a crime. Now, when we combine these two terms, trial prosecution refers to the process where the prosecutor, a legal representative, presents the case against the accused person in a trial. This process is crucial in the legal system, as it ensures that an accused individual receives a fair trial and that justice is served. The prosecutor must provide enough evidence to convince the judge or jury of the defendant's guilt. In this section, let's highlight some key elements of trial prosecution. Evidence presentation. The prosecutor presents evidence to support the charges against the defendant. Witness testimony. Witnesses may be called to testify in court. Legal arguments. The prosecutor makes legal arguments to establish the defendant's guilt. Cross-examination. The defense has the opportunity to challenge the evidence and testimonies presented by the prosecution. Trial prosecution plays a vital role in the legal system. It ensures that crimes are properly investigated and prosecuted, helps maintain law and order by bringing guilty individuals to justice, protects the rights of the defendant, ensuring a fair trial, upholds public trust in the legal system. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the meaning of trial prosecution. Remember, legal terms can be complex, but breaking them down makes them easier to grasp. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning!